Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Very happy Wednesday to everybody watching today. For What I Love Wednesday, I do want to talk about some eyeshadows that are kind of new to me, but I can't stop using them. I'm really impressed with them, and it's kind of like a new brand that I've just recently found. So if you're excited to hear what I have to say and what brand, go ahead, stay tuned. We're going to get right into the makeup. Okay, so I do have full face of makeup on. I will have everything I have on listed down below. But what I want to talk about this Wednesday is a palette that I really have been enjoying. I've not been able to put it down the last few days. So when I sit down to film these What I Love Wednesday, I kind of do them sporadically. I know that this is the theme I'm going to do, but I don't pick and choose, okay, this is what I'm going to talk about this day. This is what I'm going to talk. I sit down and I'm like, what do I love right now? And what I love right now is this palette from Ittse. I did get this through Ipsy Shopper. It was $15. I got this palette right here, which is, it's vegan leather. It's cruelty free, and eco-friendly, but inside I also got 6 shades. It does have a really nice protective sheet right here, which I like. I'm probably one of the weird ones, I guess, but I really like that this is there to protect and doesn't make a mess. And it has a really nice size mirror right here, but it's also, it's got a really strong magnetic closure. It almost is a little hard to open, but I really do love this. It's hard, okay? You can get 12 single shadows. I think these are the 1-inch diameter kind of size. And this did come with 6. I have, let's get the reflective sheet off. Or up so you can see, but these are the shades that did come with it. This, even though it does have like a little bit of a shimmer into it, it goes on matte. I haven't found that the shimmer comes through at all. Too Faced is really good about doing that, but I really love these. I love swatching the swatches, and they're really good on the eyes. So I'm gonna do some swatches really quick, and then we're going to put them on the eyes. They're very neutral. I didn't get to pick what shades I got, but I mean, I'm happy with what I got because I like the neutrals. I can't help it. Okay. I'm going to try to do these in the pairs that I have them, just so that it's easier. Yeah, this is the shade Suede Booties, this kind of tan one right here. They're very soft. They are a little bit powdery, but not like messy powdery, but they are a little bit powdery. So there is this one here. It's just a very soft taupey color. And then we have Irish Coffee. I love that they sent this one because your girl likes some coffee. And when it swatches, none of the glitter come up. But it is just a very beautiful brown. This one actually builds really nicely. My skin is super dry right now, so that is playing a factor in that. So there is that color. The next pair that I have together is Velveteen. Right here, it's a very light gray. Very beautiful on the eyes. I love these colors. And then we have Film Noir, which is, it's a little bit darker gray. Almost black, but it's very pretty. And then the last pair that I have together is a Sweater Weather, which I do have a sweater like exactly this color. And so I'm super excited to wear it with it. But this is like a purple kind of gray. Same thing. You guys, my skin is so dry right now, so I apologize. But this is a really pretty purple. And then the last color I have is changing it to a flat right here. And there is that one. We can build that one up as well. Again, my dry skin, you guys, oy. But these, they swatch beautifully. On the back of all of these, they do say that they are all paraben free, talc free, and as well as cruelty free. So if that is something that you do go for, these do not kind of trigger those, but I do really like the outside packaging. I kind of got the Natasha Denona vibes with the stitching and the faux leather here. The really nice pressed, I guess you call this pressed, like the name of the brand. There is nothing on the back. It is a gold shade. I like golds, but it's like a muted gold, I guess. And I really like it. And There's a really nice foam padding here. And I really feel like for traveling, this is really, really going to be amazing. I did end up taking this on vacation. I didn't photo it in because I wanted to keep it a secret anyways, but I can't stop using this. They're neutrals, but they're little, I mean, I did pair them up to my liking anyways. I love these two together. I really love these two, but I really love these two too. I mean, you can't go wrong. And I've just been doing like the lighter shades in the crease and then the darker paired shade I've just been doing on the outside a little bit and then leaving like the front part of my lid blank, and it's been so pretty, and I'm really liking it. The only thing I have on my eyes right now is concealer. I will say I prefer it with the eye primer. You don't need it. They do wear fairly well without a primer, but my eyelids, they're textured, and I don't find that they blend very well on textured lids without a primer. So if you have tried this brand and you don't have textured eyelids, let everybody know. But they did fine. It wasn't bad by all means without a primer, but I do prefer a primer. It is a personal preference. But the wear time on these are absolutely gorgeous. I'm a contact wearer. I'm a face toucher. I'm a mom, so other people touch my face. What is it with kids touching like the mom's face? Do your kids do that? Or are my kids just like, I don't know. My kids touch my face all day. So there's that. But they wear really well. I mean, every night when I take off my makeup again, it's just, they're still beautiful. They're beautiful. And they're matte. And I periodically will do like an all matte eye look. And I'm like, dang, that's really good. And then I forget. I'm like, I don't know why I stopped doing this. Because I love an all matte look. I think they're really pretty. I will list their website down below, but the actual palette does retail for $24.99. And then each single shadow is $9, which is really, really great. I love indie brands. But anyways, I have kind of a plain shirt on. I'm kind of very neutral. I got a thing for neutrals, I guess. Hi, my name's Kelly, and I love all things neutral. I have a lot of black, I have a lot of cream, and I have a lot of brown in my closet. Actually, no, I don't have a lot of brown. Actually, I do have a lot of yellow. So that's not brown, right? I mean neutral. It's yellow. I do love, like, that mustard yellow. It's a favorite. That is a favorite color right there, is that mustard yellow. Anyways, I'm going to take kind of a smaller fluffy brush, and I am going to dip into this shade right here, the creamy one. Suede Booties. The only thing I don't like about single shadows is you have to like pick them up. But I did dip my brush in there pretty good, and you can see there's a very minimal kick up and pan. I mean, nothing more than literally every other shadow out there. I mean, it's not super messy. I mean, some get super messy, but these do not get super messy, and I really do like this shade. It's very pretty. It is buildable, I will say that too. I go in light-handed. This is not the full pigment potential of these shadows. So don't think that. But they do build, and they do blend, like I said, they blend so nice on this primer. It's my favorite primer. But I love trying new brands. Like, if you know an indie brand that you really have, like, favorites from, let me know. I love indie brands. I love supporting the small businesses. And sometimes you find these gems that are just, they're amazing. But I do like to build this up quite a bit. I love this color. I also have worn just this color, just like this, and kind of left it alone, and I love it. So this is Suede Booties on. I love the taupiness. I love that it's kind of got a little bit of a caramel color to it as well. But it's just, it's very natural, and I almost put this palette in my my monthly bag. So next I'm going to go in with Irish Coffee, which is this brown shade right here. And I'm just going to take kind of a more tapered brush, creasy brush, I guess. And I always tap off the excess. I don't have follow. I will say that too. I don't have follow. And I will say too, once these set down, they don't move, like at all. So I have had zero fading with any of these. They are easy to work with. Don't get me wrong on that. It's not where you put the pigment is where it stays, but definitely there is a lot of staying power in these shadows, which is fantastic, especially if you have greasy eyelids, or if you have textured eyelids like I do, or both. I mean, because I have both. But I just think it's so pretty. It's so effortless. I mean, I love an effortless eye look. I mean, does it get any easier with an effortless eye look? Because it's really rainy and I've had extra coffee. I am filming this on a Tuesday because I've switched to uploading in the mornings anyways. And so I typically film the day before, and everybody, wow, the girls got on the bus this morning. My son doesn't start preschool until next week, but it's a very rainy day. But we're super excited to be on the bus. Next, I'm going to take a very small kind of tapered brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Suede Booties up here again. And I'm just going to run this just ever so lightly on the lower lash line, just to give it something. I can't not do this. I don't know why. I started doing it, and then I really like the way it looks. But I will say, too, these shadows don't bother my eyes at all, which I appreciate. I got sensitive eyes. I am a sensitive Nelly, so my eyes, they get bothered quite easily, quite quick. But I'm going to throw some lashes on, and I will be right back. This is the finished look that we did come up with today. It's very neutral. It's very kind of on the norm for me, but I really do like these shades. Are they unique to my collection? No. But I am very happy that I have them. I'm excited to try out a new brand, and that's why I wanted to kind of talk about them in this week's What I Love Wednesday. They're not new shades as far as what I did receive in here. They're not new shades by any means. No, that's not what I'm saying. But these are really great. They're an indie brand, and I love supporting the underdog, if you know me at all. I love this. For $9, I will pick up some more shadows, fill this palette with all of their goodies, and kind of try out some more. I love them. I am very, very happy with the purchase. Definitely for $15, I thought it was a steal of a deal. I mean, the palette itself was worth it, but the shadows are really, really nice. I can't say enough great things. I think they're really easy to use. They're easy to blend. They're very user-friendly, so I don't think that you need a lot of, like, practice with makeup or be, like, expert makeup status to be able to use these and enjoy them and get some really great looks. They're very, very easy to blend. And they're not very messy. They do have a little bit of kick up, but what doesn't? I mean, to be very honest, what doesn't? All shadows do to some extent, but I think this is a really great brand. I'm excited to try more from them, and I want to know, have you heard of this brand? Am I just like been on the out and out and I didn't hear about them? So let me know down in the comments if you've heard of this brand, if you like them, if you've tried anything, and if you have any recommendations. I would love to hear them. And I also want to know, what is your favorite indie brand down below? Let's start a conversation. Let's help the smaller companies. Let's give them some great business. So let everybody know down in the comments what your favorite indie brand is. And I will see everybody in the next video. Bye!